we're going to see how tech giant BYD, the world's fastest growing EV brand, manufactures this masterpiece, the BYD Atto 3.
It all starts with high-strength steel. Coils are precision stamped into the Atto 3's body panels.
A 6,000-ton punch press stamps flat steel into complex shapes with sub-millimeter accuracy.
Every panel is checked for microcracks before moving to the next stage. Zero waste, 100% recycled scrap. Next, robotic welding builds the body in white with incredible accuracy and repeatability. Over 400 robots work in perfect harmony, completing thousands of welds in just a few hours.
Quality isn't assumed. Every critical weld is ultrasonically scanned and measured.
This skeletal frame is the car's safety cell. It's rigid, light, and ready for its skin. Now, the bare metal begins its transformation. It enters the cleanest part of the factory. First, E-coat. The body is submerged in paint and electrified, ensuring every hidden crevice is sealed against rust. Robotic atomizers apply the base color. 12 coats build the depth and richness you see on the road. Then, the clear coat. This layer provides the mirror shine and protects the color from UV rays.
It bakes for 30 minutes, hardening the paint into a shell as tough as steel.
The body is done, but underneath, the heart of the EV is being built.
While the body is painted, BYD assembles the Atto 3's lithium-ion battery pack.
These aren't round cells. BYD's proprietary blade cells are flat, packing more energy in less space. Thermal paste ensures heat transfers away from the cells, keeping the pack cool during fast charging.
The BMS acts as the brain, monitoring voltage and temperature of every single cell.
Cell stacking, module wiring, and final sealing to exacting standards.
The electric drivetrain comes together here: motor, inverter, and gearbox. BYD integrates them into one compact unit. It's lighter, quieter, and more efficient.
Every unit is spun up to max RPMs before it ever sees a car chassis.
Out back, the multi-link suspension is pre-assembled for perfect alignment. All the moving parts are ready. It's time to build the car.
Inside the cabin, teams install the dashboard, wiring harnesses, seating, and the signature design elements, like these speaker-integrated door pulls.
The central pad is installed and powered on for the first time. Seats are trimmed and stitched, then fitted with heaters and airbag modules. The interior is now a complete module, ready to drop into the body. On the final line, the body and powertrain unite. The BYD Atto 3 truly starts to take shape. 50 bolts lock the safety cell to the battery pack in a 30-second operation. Suspension and wheels are bolted on. The car can now support its own weight. The windshield provides structural rigidity and is sealed for a quiet cabin.
Closures are adjusted. The gaps between panels are set to less than 4 millimeters. Critical fluids are filled and verified: coolant, brake fluid, and refrigerant.
The brake system is bled automatically to ensure a firm pedal feel.
And the air conditioning is charged. It's the first time the car breathes.
Power is applied. The BMS wakes up, checking 700 volts across the battery pack. It's alive. But before it goes to a customer, it faces the gauntlet. Every Atto 3 passes through automated quality gates, laser measurement. This scan checks panel gaps down to 1/10 of a millimeter. Headlights are checked for aim. Misaligned lights fail immediately. And a final verification ensures every wheel nut was torqued correctly. Torque verification and paint surface inspection.
Then, a trained quality inspector performs a hands-on walk-around.
Confirming fit, finish, and function against BYD's strict checklist.
Inside, every button is pressed. The screen rotates. The apps load. And hatches are cycled to ensure they'll last 100,000 uses.
Satisfied, the inspector digitally signs off. The car moves to dynamics testing.
Next comes performance validation, rolling road checks.
The motor is pushed to max power, simulating highway speeds and hard acceleration.
Braking performance is tested. Regenerative braking is verified, putting energy back in the pack. Wheel alignment is checked dynamically, not just statically. And full electrical diagnostics ensure every sensor is talking to the BMS. Water leak testing ensures the cabin stays sealed in real-world weather. It's blasted with more water than a monsoon. If a drop gets in, it fails. Then, acoustics. The NVH team listens for rattles, wind noise, and motor whine. And thermal testing. The car bakes at 50 degrees Celsius to test the AC. The AC must cool the cabin by 20 degrees in just 10 minutes.
With all tests passed, the Atto 3 receives final sign-off.
Protective films are stripped. The car is now showroom ready. The key fobs are married to the car's anti-theft system.
And the VN plate is fixed. Its identity is now permanent.
Cleared to leave the factory. But it's not quite done yet. First stop, the wash. A high-pressure bath removes any factory dust. Then, a team of detailers hand-finish every inch. It has to look perfect.
Loaded onto carriers, they begin their journey to dealerships worldwide.
BYD ships over 1 million cars a year. This is just one of them.
Day or night, the line never stops.
What makes BYD unique? They make almost everything themselves.
Seats, the electronics, even the semiconductors.
This vertical integration means total quality control.
No relying on suppliers. If a part is wrong, they fix it instantly.
It's a superpower. And it's why the Atto 3 is so competitive.
Silicon, software.
Precision, power, performance. This is how you build the world's fastest growing EV for anything.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and original concepts, then written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using BYD, Meta AI, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator content. This video is conceptual and informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.